Hi everyone, this is the Hyundai Sonata 2012. So here is the problem. This car is burned oil. Every week I put at least 5 liter taking and burn it. So what I decide to actually first. What do we thought? We thought, PCV valve, I replace it as nothing there. Fuel injector, I replace it already, and same thing. Spark plug, same thing. I replace ignition coil, and same thing as a burning oil. And we saw. I asked a lot of mechanics. They said there's a problem with the cylinder head. So this is the old one. It's a valve problem. So I find one cheap, that one, in eBay, and I bought it. And I did service on it and tested it's good and everything. And I put it in. And after I put it in and I look at my stuff and I cleaning it and make sure. Here's what I find. You see, this is the intake. Let me turn it around like that. Here's the intake. So like this way. The air intake. So the CV valve here is. So please guys, do not make mistake what I did. Look how much I spent. I buy a lot of tools and everything. I have no tools, and I already bought all the tools, all the parts, and I replace everything. Because here's what I find. First, before you open your engine or you replace anything, if your car burn oil, look what I find. Here is the problem. You see that? Let me make it focus. So is the hose broken and we didn't see it. So this is what causing it. So you see it? Here is all the problem from an oil burn every week from that hole. And look guys what I did. I replaced everything and I spent a lot of money for a stupid hole. I didn't see it. So please guys, make sure the hole, the hose and everything, CV valve, and make sure no leak there. After that you can open your engine. Thank you guys for watching.